You want to command your budget, grow your savings, and track your spending, but you hate spreadsheets or just can't keep up with the 30 tabs, hundreds of columns, thousands of rows, and complicated formulas that take more than a 30-minute tutorial just to set it up? Don't worry. The Bills and Money Command Center was built to give you similar results with the ease of an app and takes only 60 seconds to set up. This is a private, automated budget dashboard that installs directly to your phone's home screen or runs right in your browser on a computer. No Excel, no Google Sheets, no formulas, no App Store. And the best part? Your financial data never leaves your device. It's 100% private. Let me show you. First, opening the file. From the PDF you downloaded, click the black button that reads Download Dashboard here, or copy and paste the link directly into your web browser. It then loads instantly on the computer. If you want it to feel like a real desktop app, you can install it from Chrome or Edge. Click the little install icon in your address bar and it gets its own window, no browser tabs. You can also bookmark it for quick access. Now on your phone, this is one of the coolest parts. You open it in Safari on iPhone or Chrome on Android. Tap Share, then Add to Home Screen. One tap and it's sitting right there on your phone like a real app. No App Store, no download, it just works. Now let's set it up. This takes about 60 seconds. When you open the app for the first time, you get this setup wizard. 5 steps, super simple. Step 1, your name. I'm going to put Michelle. Step 2, how often do you get paid? I'm going to choose bi-weekly because that's the most common. If you get paid weekly, monthly, or you're doing gig work or an entrepreneur with irregular income, those options are all here too. Step 3, your net paycheck amount. That's your take home after taxes. I'm putting $21.80. Step 4, your next payday and your current checking account balance. I've got $32.47 and 63 cents. Be exact with this. It's what makes your safe to spend number accurate. Step 5, your biggest recurring bill. For most of us, that's rent or mortgage, $13.50. And just like that, we're in. That took about 60 seconds. Let me show you what you're looking at. This is your command center. Everything on this screen updates automatically. You never have to refresh anything or touch a formula. These 4 cards at the top are your financial snapshot, your checking account balance, your next paycheck amount and when it hits, your total bills, and your total debt. But this right here, this is the most important number in the whole app, your safe to spend. It takes your balance, adds your upcoming paycheck, then subtracts every unpaid bill, every debt minimum payment, your selected allocations like your tithes and savings that you set up. What's left is what you can actually spend without touching bill money. Green means you're good. Red means you need to make some adjustments. Right below it, you get a status line. It'll say, you're good. Spend what you need when you're in the clear. Tight budget, spend carefully when things are snug. Or you're over budget. Review your bills when you need to make a change. Down here, you've got your paycheck allocation chart, your next 3 bills coming due, your top savings goals with progress bars, and your last 5 transactions. Everything links to the full sections if you want to dig deeper. Now let me show you where the real power is, your financial plan. Inside the financial plan, you've got 4 tabs. Let's start with bills. I'm going to add the rest of my bills. Car insurance, $187, due on the 5th. Electric, $142, due on the 12th. Phone, internet, Netflix, car payment. Now watch this. I'm going to mark rent as paid. Just click the check mark. See how it strikes through? And look, the paid progress bar updated. 2 out of 7 paid, 29%. And my safe to spend just recalculated automatically because that bill is no longer hanging over my budget. That's the whole point. You mark bills paid as you go, and the app always knows exactly where you stand. Now the debt tab. First time you open this, it asks you to pick a strategy. Debt Snowball focuses on paying off the smallest balance first. Fast wins builds momentum. Debt Avalanche focuses on the highest interest rate first, saves you the most money over time. I'm going Snowball because I like seeing those wins stack up. I've got a Costco credit card at 1847, a Capital One Visa at 4312, and a car loan at 8740. The app puts them in order automatically. Smallest balance first. See this focus card? That's my Costco card. It's my number one priority right now. It's telling me I could pay this off in about 3 to 4 months at my minimum payment. And it's got this log payment button right here. Let me put $100 toward it. The balance dropped, the progress bar moved, and a transaction was logged automatically. And when I eventually pay this off completely, full screen confetti celebration with a badge and a motivational message, because wins deserve to be celebrated. Next up, the Savings Goals Vault. The app created an emergency fund automatically during setup with $1,200 already in it, targeting $5,000. I'm adding 2 more. Summer vacation, target $2,000. And new laptop, target $800. Now watch how easy it is to save. I'm going to quick contribute $50 to my vacation fund. Click, type 50, hit save money. 3 things just happened. The vacation goal went from $340 to $390. My checking balance dropped by $50 and a transaction was automatically logged. 1 click, no manual math. Now this is where you automate everything. I'm setting up rules that run every single paycheck. 10% to my emergency fund, that's $218 per check. 10% to tithes, another $218. $50 flat to vacation, and $75 toward extra debt payoff. Look at this. These amounts get subtracted from my safe to spend automatically, so I'm never accidentally spending my tithe money or my savings money. And on payday, I get a 1-click button on my dashboard that distributes everything. The money goes straight to each goal. Set it and forget it. And this chart, every single dollar of my paycheck is accounted for. Bills at 30%, debt minimums at 23%, emergency fund and tithes at 10% each. You can see it all right here. Budget targets let you set monthly spending limits for each category. Groceries, $450. Gas, $160. Entertainment, $75. Personal, $100. Each category gets a progress bar that fills up as you spend, turns red when you go over. Simple visual accountability. Now let me log some transactions. I'm adding my recent spending, Walmart grocery run, Shell fill up, Audible subscription, a Target run, Aldi haul, and here's my favorite one, Etsy shop sales, $145 income. See that green entry? That's money coming in. If you've got a side hustle, a small business, any extra income, it all goes right here and your balance updates instantly. And look, back on the dashboard, my category spending bars are now tracking everything. I can see exactly how much of my grocery budget I've used this month. Okay, this part is fun. The Challenges Hub. This is a no-spend calendar. I click any day where I didn't spend a single dollar. Watch what happens when I build a streak. See the flame? It pulses faster the longer your streak goes. And at 3 days, 7 days, 14, 21, 30, you get a milestone celebration with confetti and a badge that stays on your profile permanently. And this here, the expense penalty jar. It gamifies breaking bad spending habits. Every time I impulse buy, I click this button and $5 goes into the jar. Dining out, $10. Coffee run, $3. It's like a swear jar for your wallet. The total keeps running so you can see exactly how much those little habits are costing you. You can add your own custom habits too. Maybe yours is Amazon impulse buys or DoorDash. Whatever your thing is, track it here. The annual snapshot gives you the big picture, your income, expenses, and net for every month, organized by year. It shows you your best month, your toughest month, and which categories are eating the most money. The longer you use the app, the more powerful this page gets. And in settings, you can switch between rollover budgeting, where leftover money carries forward into the next cycle, or zero-based budgeting, where every single dollar gets assigned to something. No money sitting around unaccounted for. You can also export a full backup of your data with one click. The app reminds you every 7 days to back up because your data lives on your device, not in the cloud. That's what makes it private, but it also means backups matter. One click, 10 seconds, peace of mind. And here it is, the full command center completely set up. Every KPI card populated, safe to spend showing 1829.84 in green, you're good. The donut chart breaking down every dollar. Bills tracked, debts prioritized, savings growing, challenges running, all from one dashboard. So let's recap what you just saw. A complete budget dashboard that sets up in 60 seconds. A safe to spend number that tells you exactly what you can spend without touching bill money. Bill tracking, debt payoff with Snowball or Avalanche, savings goals with one-tap contributions, automated paycheck allocations for your tithes, your emergency fund, whatever matters to you, all fully automated. And the whole time, your data never left your device. No cloud, no Google Drive, no account, no subscription. You buy it once and use it forever. If you've been fighting with spreadsheets or you've been meaning to get your money organized, but the setup always stops you, this is for you. 60 seconds and you're in control. The link is in the description. Go get your money right. And if you've already grabbed yours, thank you and congratulations on taking charge of your budget.